Now in a both input that are 0, so diode D1 as well as diode D2, both diode undergoes a forward bias. So in a forward bias we can say that resistance is extremely low, or voltage or potential difference generated across this two diode D1 and diode D2, that is low. So we can say that ES, that is external power supply, that is connected to this diode D1 and diode D2 via this resistance RL. So we can say that diode D1 and D2 resistance is low. So from a power supply ES, maximum current passing from diode D1 and D2 means we can say that output is 0. In this case, we also should understand that heat flows from high temperature to low temperature, as well as electron flows from high resistance to low resistance. That's why that electron will select a path in which high resistance to low resistance movement is there. So this was the operation of a AND gate. So these are the basic keywords that we had already discussed. In a AND gate, if we give 0 and 0 input, D1 and D2 both are under forward bias, so it shows low value of a resistance. So voltage drop across the diode D1 and D2, that is V output, that is only 0.6 voltage or nearer to 0.7 voltage. We know that turn on voltage for a semiconductor diode, that is 0.7 voltage if this diode is made up of silicon. If this diode is made up of germanium, then turn on voltage is only 0.3. Turn on voltage means minimum voltage required to make diode from off state to on state. If we apply voltage that is above the turn on voltage, diode will conduct current having the value of a milliampere. So resistance of a forward bias, that is low voltage developed across the diode in a forward bias, that we are able to calculate. In a 0, 0 such types of steps are there. In a 0 and 1, diode D1 will conduct but diode D2 will not conduct. So resistance is low. Another case, resistance is low. So in this case we are able to understand the basic mechanism of a AND gate. This is NOT gate. Third gate is NOT gate. So NOT gate means one input and one output. NOT gate that is constructed with the help of one transistor, one resistor, or more than one resistors and one power supply. This gate is also known as one input and one output. So this is inverter. For example, if we give if we give input 1, output will be 0. If we give input 0, output will be 1. So this gate is able to invert the given input. 0 makes 1 output and 1 makes 0 output. This is possible because transistor is used as a on-off switch. Transistor is here we are using transistor as a on-off switch. Suppose that if in this circuit a point that is input and output point that is at the right side, so in a circuit if we give 0 as a input So this transistor T1, here we are using NPN type transistor. So in a transistor, emitter base junction will not get sufficient potential difference to make this transistor in a saturation region. So if we give one output, if we give high strength at a point A, we can say that emitter base junction in a transistor that is forward biased. If we make this, or if we move this transistor in a forward biased, in a emitter base junction, so in a current, in a collector current IC that is high, so we are able to move this transistor in a saturation current. So resistance is, lower resistance is there. So voltage drop is across almost zero. So we can say that output given by transistor that is almost zero. Another thing is that external power supply having voltage plus VCC that is connected across the collector via this resistor R2. So if we give 0 at a point, emitter base junction will be under reverse biased. So means another thing is that voltage generated across R2 will be high. It will give the output is high whenever input is low. That's why that this is known as inverter circuit. This is another case. When A is high, emitter base junction is reverse, as we had discussed. Another gate is NAND gate. NAND gate is known as universal gate. The reason is that NAND gate is able to construct OR gate, AND gate as well as NOT gate. NAND gate is a combination of NOT and AND gate. So left side figure shows the construction of a AND gate, but a right side portion of this figure shows construction of a NOT gate. Combination of a logic gates means NOR gate as well as NAND gate construction. These are all the gates that we had discussed. For example, AND gate, symbol of a AND gate that is like this. If we give A and B as an input, output will be AB. In a OR gate, if we give A and B, output will be A plus B. In a NOT gate, input is A, so output will be A bar. Another is NAND gate. As I discussed that NAND gate means NOT plus AND gate. So if we give A and B as an input of a AND gate, output will be A dot B bar. So similarly in a NOR gate, it is a combination of a NOR gate, NOT plus OR. So if we give A and B as an input, output will be A plus B whole bar. So these are the truth tables with their symbols for AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate as well as NOR gate. So the output can be understood by this mathematical formula. NOT gate means A bar will be there, NAND gate means A dot B whole bar will be there. In a NOR gate, A plus B whole bar is there, AND gate A dot B is there, and for OR gate just A plus B is there. Here we have used just a two variable A and B. So such types of outputs that are possible. Now another thing is that regarding the NAND gate, why this is known as universal gate? This slide shows NAND gate as a universal gate. Both inputs are sorted and we are using NAND gate. This is NAND gate. Both inputs are sorted for a NOR gate. Now what happens? If we give A and B as a input, so output will be A dot B bar. But in this case, instead of B, we are using A. So output will be A dot. So ultimately we are able to construct NAND gate. We are able to construct AND gate, OR gate, as well as NOT gate with the help of this diode. So output will be for A dot A bar. Now we know that A dot A, that is also equal to A. So answer is A bar, because 0 dot 0 answer is 0, 1 dot 1 answer is 1. Now what happens for a NOR gate? If we connect A and B as an input, output achieved from this NOR gate, that is A plus B bar. But in this case we are using A and A, so output, that is A plus A whole bar. Now A plus A means it is similar to 0 plus 0, or it is similar to 1 plus 1. So output is 0 plus 0, that is 0, 1 plus 1, that is also 1. So output is A bar. In short, this shows NOR gate as a NOT gate. This shows NAND gate as a NOT gate. So by this way we are able to construct NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate from NAND gate. This figure also shows that how can we construct AND gate with the help of NAND gate. Here we are using 3 NAND gate. Input for a first NAND gate, that is A, B bar. Input for a second NAND gate, that is A. So the output of a first NAND gate, first, second and third. So output for the first NAND gate, that will be A dot B dash bar. Output for the second NAND gate, that is A dash B bar. Now suppose that if we give A and B to the third NAND gate, output will be A dot B bar, but in this case we had not used A and B. Instead of A we have value A dot B bar, and instead of B we had value A dash B. So what happens? Another thing is that from the rule of break line and change sign, A dot B bar that is equal to break line and change sign. So that is equal to A bar dot plus B dash A B dash bar, that is equal to A bar plus B bar, as well as A dash B bar, that is equal to. So we are able to convert AND gate from NAND gate. As I earlier said, that computer or calculator is able to understand or is able to process with digital signals. Now there are two types of conversions is there, analog to digital or digital to analog. Similarly, decimal system to binary system or binary system to decimal system. So we have encoder. Encoders are used to convert decimal system to binary system, as well as decoders are used to convert decimal numbers. Decimal to BCD means binary coded decimal encoder. Encoder, for example, 0 to 9 means 10 digits, that is comes to the decimal system, but in a binary system we had used either 0 or 1, either high or low, either on or off. That's why that this is known as binary number system. Today most famous word, that is the storage capacity. Storage capacity of a mobile or storage capacity of a pen drive or compact disc, CD or DVD, that is measured in terms of GB